Hi! Ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of revenge. The action of inflicting hurt or harm on someone for an injury or wrong suffered at their hands. For example, other spurned wives have taken public revenge on their husbands. American pronunciation. Revenge. Revenge. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Revenge. Say. Revenge. Revenge means action of hurting or harming someone in return for injury or wrong suffered at their hands. Revenge. Revenge. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Instead of taking revenge on his father's murderer, he joins his gang. Now, repeat after me. Instead of taking revenge on his father's murderer, he joins his gang. The second practice. When the kidnapping goes horribly wrong, everyone is left hurting and searching for revenge. Now, repeat after me. When the kidnapping goes horribly wrong, everyone is left hurting and searching for revenge.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.